Hi, my name is Kimberly Swan. I am currently living in Michigan. Before I started using C60 Power, I could tell I'm getting older. I could tell, things were kind of crinking and cracking. And once I started using it, things just kind of evened out. And I also noticed I didn't have as much crepey skin either, especially on my thighs. Back in my younger days, I was a sun worshiper, and that has not been very good. I decided to try C60 Power because I was watching a YouTube video by Kimberly, Pretty Over 50, and she had highly recommended it, and she said that she had seen a lot of results. And with social media nowadays, you hear things, and that's like, oh, let me give that a try, and it's been wonderful. The only thing that I was hesitant to start was the cost. It does tend to get a little pricey. I take it daily. I have tried both the oil form, the olive oil, and I've tried the gummies. I like both. I keep the gummies on hand for when we do travel. It's very nice because I don't have to mess with any bottles. Even my husband will like, oh, you're having some candy. No, it's not candy. But yeah, so I take both. I keep both on hand. And on top of that, I also use the Anti-Gravity Serum. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I use it both day and night, and it has eliminated 3 other products that I had been using. So it's definitely worth the money in my opinion. So the benefits I have seen, I have less dry skin. And the skin, especially where I had a lot of sun exposure, is not nearly as crepey. It has more elasticity to it. It appears that way. And then the gravity serum, it like hydrates from cellular level. I have recommended it to friends and family just because of the results that I have seen. I feel so much better and highly recommend it.